Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avis and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make jumbo tiger prawns biryani in हमारे style. Wow! Look at this. It's yummy, delicious and so colorful. See the jumbo prawns. It's awesome. Now let's start our recipe. First take fresh jumbo tiger prawns. You can see it's really fresh. We have cleaned them nicely and also removed the black threads. Now it's ready for our prawns biryani. Now first make slits on prawns as shown here. Keep it aside. Now take one vessel and put basmati rice for boiling. Add bay leaf, salt and oil. We will half cook this basmati rice for our biryani. Check frequently. Don't cook fully. We need half cooked basmati rice. You can see it's done. Now take another vessel and add some oil. And once oil becomes hot, add whole spices like bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, ajwain seeds, pepper, etc. Add onions, green chilies, and tomato. Mix them nicely and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes on low to medium flame. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, biryani masala, and salt as per taste. Mix it and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add curd, mix it little bit water. Mix it nicely. Now add our jumbo prawns into it. And mix them nicely. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 5 minutes on a low flame. Now open the lid. Wow! You can see our prawns almost cooked. Now add 1 cup of water. Once water boils, spread our basmati rice all over it. Spread it nicely. Now put fried onions on it. Some fresh coriander leaves. And add some food colors. Here I am adding green, orange and yellow to make our biryani colorful. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes on a low flame. Now open the lid. Wow! You can see our jumbo tiger prawns biryani is ready. It looks so colorful. The smell is really awesome. Mix the rice nicely. Now serve our biryani with the jumbo prawns and eat with a salad and raita. Do try this recipe and tell us how it came in a comment box. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.